Yo, what's up? Then Blake. Today I'm going to be showing you my pets like I said I was going to do. Just a light. Hold on just a second. Okay, now in the room where the pets are. First off is the dog. This is Tank. He's 5 years old. And he is a pit bull and Rottweiler mix. And now the cat. This is Yui. Nickname is Mittens because her paws. She is about 3 years old. And I'm pretty sure she's a tuxedo. We're not 100% sure. She looks like a tuxedo though. And now I'm gonna go back in my room. Okay, I'm back in my room. Well, technically this is not my room, just a spare room. So, but anyway, that's all I want to show you. Bye.